The Memorandum of Association, MOA, is the fundamental document of a company. It contains important clauses like the name clause and object clause. These clauses define the identity and scope of the company. Although MOA is important, the Companies Act allows alteration of these clauses under certain conditions. Simple meaning: MOA can be changed, but only in a legal and limited way. 2. Alteration of name clause. The name clause contains the official name of the company. It can be changed under the Companies Act. Procedure and conditions. Special resolution must be passed by shareholders. Approval of central government is required, except in simple cases like adding, removing, private. New name must not be identical or misleading. Situations when name can be changed. Change in business. Rebranding or marketing needs. Conversion, private to public or vice versa. To comply with government direction. Simple example: ABC PVT Limited changes its name to XYZ PVT Limited for better brand value. 3. Alteration of object clause. The object clause defines the purpose and activities of the company. It can be altered under specific circumstances. Procedure: pass a special resolution. File with Registrar of Companies. Follow prescribed legal formalities. 4. Circumstances under which object clause can be altered. The Companies Act allows alteration for the following purposes: to carry on business more economically or efficiently, to attain main purpose by new or improved methods, to enlarge or change the area of operation, to carry on some business which can be conveniently combined, to restrict or abandon any object, to sell or dispose of whole or part of undertaking, to amalgamate with another company. Simple understanding: company can change its objectives if it helps in better business or growth. 5. Safeguards for protection. Shareholders must approve changes. Creditors' interests must be protected. Registrar verifies legality.